Welcome to Zero K Kerosene, Sustainable Aviation Fuels, presented by Helix Coal Zero and Concentric Industries, abundant and low-cost zero-sulfur jet fuel. This is a presentation which is going to create a continuous source of 150 billion gallons per year of Zero K sustainable aviation fuel to complete net zero 2050. Per 1,000 megawatt coal power station Helix retrofit, a zero emissions process exclusively from Concentric Industries, we would derive 150 million gallons per year from coal syngas to liquid, plus 50 million gallons per year from flue gas-derived chlorella liquefaction to achieve 200 million gallons per year from each facility times 750 global retrofits, which is only about a third of existing plants worldwide, which also means 2.75 billion tons per year of CO2 not emitted. And we end up with, on average, a Zero K kerosene below $1.20 per gallon. Net zero 2050 is done. And here's the fiscal metrics for this business plan. Total CapEx of 750 global Helix retrofits times average of about $4 billion would be a $3 trillion CapEx with a net operating earnings from electricity and liquid fuels of $1.3 trillion per year for a return on investment of 30%. So it's a profitable, dynamic, zero emissions method to complete SAF net zero 2050. So how do we do it? The core of the Helix Coal Zero process is integrated gasification combined cycle, but the real heart of it is perfecting the art of thermodynamic balancing. In a typical retrofit that currently has a 1,000 megawatt coal-fired power station under the traditional burn and boil method, we take that same 10 million tons per year of coal, send it into a series of entrained flow gasifiers, and only 40% of that then goes on to the two gas turbines in a 2-on-1 combined cycle configuration. The other 60% goes into the gas to liquid Fischer-Tropsch process that is fueled by the waste heat and electricity that comes from the combined cycle plant. We still achieve the net output of 1,000 megawatts, but the thermodynamic balancing enables us to produce 150 million gallons per year of zero sulfur kerosene, Zero K, SAF, and then the flue gas from the turbines is captured in our photosynthetic regeneration system to produce chlorella algal biomass that then undergoes liquefaction to produce more kerosene on the order of 50 million gallons per year. So our standard retrofit is able to produce all of these standard aviation fuels plus the 1,000 megawatts of electricity, all from the same coal input. That's integrated gasification combined cycle trigeneration from Helix Coal Zero. We believe that as ExxonMobil, Total Energies, Honeywell, and other multinational corporations move toward SAFs, our patented technologies with Zero K as a major fuel component offer the best, most affordable opportunity to dominate sustainable aviation fuel, marine fuels, fleet fuels, and commercially available energy on a global scale. Our patented fuel requires no engine or turbine modifications. Our patented fuels burn more efficiently and produce fewer emissions. Note also that our patented fuels are not limited to kerosene, jet fuels, and the like. A main byproduct of our modified fuel combustion is oxygen. TX Technologies with Concentric, cleaner, greener, ready for tomorrow, today. In closing this brief and important presentation, Unlike other traditional fossil fuel conversions, the Helix Coal Zero process not only emits zero CO2, but for every megawatt year of Helix retrofit operations, 5,000 tons of CO2 less are emitted on Earth, hence 0K. Because with Helix, the net carbon footprint is actually less than zero. 7 biofuel production pathways are certified to produce SAF, which perform at operationally equivalent levels to Jet A1 fuel. By design, these SAFs are drop-in solutions, which can be directly blended into existing fuel infrastructure at airports and are fully compatible with modern aircraft. Helix 0K, exclusively from Concentric Dow, is a natural and abundant 8th addition to this elite class of liquid hydrocarbons, sustainable aviation fuels. The future starts now.